All right, guys, I got something special here. I've got here the Samyang 35 to 150 F2-2.8. It is a huge box, it is heavy, it is large. So let's unbox this together to see what is inside of this. Thank you. You're welcome. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is huge. That's what she said. What the hell? What? Oh. 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 Bruh. Oh my goodness. This is really heavy. You can work out with this, guys. Customizable buttons, AF, custom one. Okay, I think I will never use this, by the way, the custom buttons and stuff. Feels really smooth, by the way. In terms of heaviness, it is really heavy. So I'm going to switch it now to the Samyang to see how it works, how it looks. Right, okay, let's switch things now. This is now with the Samyang 35-150. I had to be a little bit more at the back, but I think this looks pretty awesome. Gonna zoom in all the way into my face. I'm still in focus, by the way. That's cool. That is also very scary. Cool. I like it. Right. So far, it looks huge. It looks really huge. And I don't know. I'm gonna test it out on a wedding. Gonna test it out for landscape, walk around for the full day with it to see how it is. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. And then we'll see about it if this comes in recommended. This also was quite affordable, 900 something euros, right below 1,000 euros. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah, so we'll see if this is any good or not. Here are also some first photos. So yeah, all right, that's all. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. And if you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it. See you. Bye. Good luck.